Hello everyone. So today we can discuss rocks and its classification. Okay, what is rocks? You know that what are rocks? Huh? The materials that forms the crust of the earth is called rocks. Some materials that forms on the earth crust, outer layer of the earth is called rock. Right? Then when we say about rocks, you think rocks are harder, very harder material like that, right? But rocks refers not only to the harder materials like granite, marble, but also softer materials also. Rocks also involves or include softer materials like clay, sand, salt, mud, etc. are the softer materials of rocks. Okay, and we can find minerals from rocks. Rocks are the aggregate of minerals of various types. We get minerals from the rocks. Okay, then we can see what are the different types of rocks. Actually, there are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Okay, then we can learn one by one. What is igneous rocks? Rocks are formed by cooling of hot molten matter called magma. You know what is magma? Huh? What is magma? Hot molten matter, that is magma. That means due to the heavy temperature, heavy heat from the inside the earth. I told you, in last class, when we move when we goes under the earth, the temperature goes on increasing. So inside the earth there is heavy temperature. So due to this heavy temperature or heavy heat, what happened? These rocks are melted down. It is in a liquid state. Rocks are melted, and that melted rocks are known as hot molten matter. Okay, that hot molten matter comes out to a surface of the earth. So it is called lava. This molten matter, that is this magma, comes out to the surface of the earth from inside the earth to the outside the earth. Then it is called lava, and these lava are cooled down and become a rock. That rock is known as igneous rocks. Okay, so what is igneous rocks? Rocks are formed by cooling of hot molten matter called magma, and these rocks which have been formed by the internal heat of the earth, that is known as igneous rocks. Okay, because of the internal heat of the earth, rocks are melted down and comes out to the surface of the earth and it cools down and become igneous rocks. And sometimes this molten matter cools down slowly under the crust also. Okay, inside the earth also. So such rocks are called plutonic rocks. Okay, and igneous rocks are found in masses, not in layers. And they are called, igneous rocks are also called primary rocks because they were first formed on the surface of the earth. From this molten magma comes out to the surface of the earth and become igneous rock. So it is called primary rock. Okay, that is called igneous rocks. The second one is volcanic. Not second one. Include these igneous rocks. There is a volcanic rock that I told that plutonic rocks like that. Lava comes out through a hole or a vent and cools down on the earth's surface. Such rocks is called volcanic rock. You know what is volcano? The molten magma comes out to the surface of the earth. That is lava. When magma comes out to the surface of the earth, it is called lava. And this lava cools down and become volcanic rocks. And it is found in Deccan Plateau. And these rocks are used in building roads. Okay. The second types of rocks is sedimentary rocks. Okay. You know what is sediments? What is sediments? The deposition of sediments. You heard about when the water is flowing, the water also carries some small particles. Also, and when water is flowing, these sediments also, rivers also carry these sediments also. Okay, and by the deposition of these sediments on the floors of seas, rivers, and lakes, so another kind of rocks are formed. That is known as sedimentary rocks. Okay, and when the river deposit these sediments, and these sediments are carried by wind, water, or moving ice. Example: sandstone, limestone, etc. Okay, then coal. Coal is another kind of sedimentary rock. You know how coal is formed. How coal is formed? By the remains of plants and trees. These remains of plants and trees kept in the soil, remains of plants and trees buried in the soil, and after a long millions of years, that remains of plants and trees become coal. Okay, so coal is another kind of sedimentary rock. Okay, then we can see metamorphic rocks, the third type of rock, metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock is the combination of igneous and sedimentary rocks. Sometimes igneous and sedimentary rocks are changed or altered owing to the extreme heat and pressure in the interior region of the earth. It is called metamorphic rocks. Because of the interior heat of the earth, what happened? These igneous and sedimentary rocks changed into some other types. Okay, and that rocks are known as metamorphic rocks. Okay, and most of the Deccan Plateau consists of metamorphic rocks. It is more resistant or harder. Metamorphic rocks are harder, but sedimentary rocks are not harder one. Okay, and we can see the comparison of igneous and sedimentary rocks. Okay, first one, igneous rocks. See, first point, formed by cooling of molten matter under the earth crust or cooling the lava on the surface. We know that what is igneous rocks? Cooling of this molten matter. Molten matter means rocks, melted rocks. That is known as molten matter. Okay, hot because of the interior heat of the earth, the rocks are melted and formed. By the cooling of these molten matter, igneous rocks are formed. See, sedimentary rocks formed by the deposition of sediments on the floors of sea or land. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of these sediments. Okay. Then, second point. Igneous rocks are primary rocks because they were formed on the surface of the earth or sea. Igneous rocks, I said, it is a primary rock because it is formed on the first time on the surface of the earth. But sedimentary rocks, it is a secondary one because they were formed by the deposits of different sediments. First, these sediments are deposited, and these sediments, after this deposition of these sediments, it is formed as a sedimentary rocks. Okay, so it is a secondary one. Then, igneous rocks are solid rocks. Rocks are found in layers one above the another, sedimentary rocks. Then, igneous rocks contain crystals of different minerals. We can find different minerals from igneous rocks. But in sedimentary rocks, we can get fossils. What is fossils? The remains of plants and animal organisms. Okay. Then, examples of igneous rocks. Granite, basalt are the example of igneous rocks. Okay. Then, sandstone, limestone, coal, etc. are the best example of sedimentary rocks. Okay, clear? So today we learn rocks and different kinds of rocks. Okay, then we can discuss in next class. Thank you.